Hi guys, I'm Janice Elaine, and today I'm going to introduce to you products that I've been working on to help raise money for my mom's legacy part. It's a lot of money. We're gonna buy a piece of land. We need money for the little land and the supplies to build everything that's gonna be on that in that part. It's gonna take about anywhere from 3 to 5 years because the products that I have they don't cost as much. So, um, but we got to start somewhere. And this is the legacy bowl. Never mind me. I had cooked some cheese grits and I got some cheese eggs in there, and it's so good. The shrimp and grits. Oh my God, it's so good. But anyway, you can put that in the bowl. It's $8. Cereal, salad, soups, whatever. It's microwave safe, dishwasher safe. So it's been tested. This been put through it for the last couple of weeks since I got 4 sets. So it's good. It's really nice, sturdy, and all of that. So just eating this with drinking a little wine. And also with every purchase, I'm gonna give away a match chain with every purchase free. So they come in different colors and all of that. I know some people don't wear the mask since they've been fully vaccinated and all that, but I intend on still wearing the mask. So, and I kind of like the chain with my clothes and everything, so I can have it off, and then when I want to pull it on, I can just pull it up, So it's very nice, and that's free with every purchase. And I'm just so excited to get started with this project. I've been working on it for a while, and there's other products going to be coming out too. I even have spices. I'm just so excited about that. Y'all just don't know. I've been working on a lot of stuff. So I'm excited and I can't wait. And I hope you all support me in raising the money for the legacy part that we're trying to build. It's going to be great. So thank you guys. And I hope you have a great day today and live the life that God gave you. Thank you guys. Bye. Mm. That's so good.